Aner malakan yam kana diala content barwanya lingwa seme biya kamal kanor online TV channel an wala shangang wan kapay baro ron kina dangaro udi jan dangaro udi di chekon kalar me bumbum me goro dera andere jaling jo biya linga ken yam bana rwacha ke kui South Sudan kata kurtin content walk rewde bana let kamen pen rano ngu mishiran chelet ka jamo ka ngu me penji yo ke penja kwak tinder jegre tegedo ka dob ko on tama kinede wan ci kanong no bi gwinni ken ke bi ko gor sing nen to ko ken needi te ka yo ka jino tele je lat tele je yo ban raje me ban je kwen kel ken ko non yam gor jen go jin adere jo me dere je nyak nasin ko ken jo ban ling ka jen gwase me ken yam an wala shenga wan ka pay baro ron kina dangro wir jen dangro di diich no kori kana mal rewi ka South Sudan no ban jo me ban jiling ko nokkono de kon kaling no ken yamen gor no banyo ga yekel dr machar ngode lo yena kirma yadi chelu njok kwa de dana choten ka Dubai jare wi ki juba shala togo no shram kel ka ji gat la intergovernmental authority and development bare wi ki juba ka kwimal ka shala do che jekane di shop ko jandang de kel la committee te sha kwany ka kwi transitional government jo ma gore jen wo de yen ling ana bana wo ka lar do dien ka do badan en de kon wan ling je gwasa me log lat be je kam no gudup tin pen ka ji yo kana kwak me jin wat ke jiram di ba dara gwano be jo me be je ling ka do badan en gwa ke je gore no dara je ling ko de ti kanen content yar kana ka kanen content pen kana do de ka lat de kana lat chit ko tama ngai ko de gwano te ne te kel ke shemane ken dong te ka ngane te sha rodien kamo bran barole lam yongkwang barole lo madre tap kana diala to wayir kan chiang moy karan ga trauma ka pen karan lat so bana right lat gwasme what is stopping you from getting what you need men pen o dere do dere juk okay is that you are not committed in kind road char no bilana kel you don't focus on one thing you keep looking at other people life signor gwa kel wanglu chegwine kel laro wikana me gujeni tignen ko kenta dan shenkan kaje people whose families have money but yours doesn't gujeni tere che mana kende ken kayo kajino teleje dor mate kaje la gujeni tignen ko ken no de che ka ngakamo donc gujiran chakar shenang widodien guji nyal chai nang widodien no shemane ko ti shemane kende ken kayo no bi gujeno deri tik dien mo deri jadop okay kajino shemore chushka talaka kon ki talama shamka ka talayo ka bi gorno jin bitigram mo bi jadop you want good clothes you want a good hours but you don't want to work for it gori being to go gori dwell magwam der tin kajino shi gorno bilat adwa dien deri ngwan der ka kula jakaje min no gon jeno you just want to sit compare complain and beg no gon no binyur no gwa kel perrodu karamimo dong tiche mante kan ka yo jino right ni jino no tele dor nyok limni jin ko dong de moy ka dor ada dien ka jino tele ji dor mate gaje ka shi gorno jin bilat no na me dero kan ngani diala no analet dunu matodo mo be content with it matodo chuko da kamimo lo du aron kaje no stop following people who had hit start chual natin content si tok na ken yam ke si kwana ken ga mana ken chi let ka gwan ma bar dong de ken ka kwak no ka bi gorno brother park ke no challenge ke start de dan to content matodo na mo mi chamimo me jeg mo gwat mo please ko focus ten ko nyal be je boston na mo be je Lord watch it okay you have your own path focus commit work jangro do ko bi nena gwa bi mandana gordi lat bi nena no man yen bala do ne okay leni ka lamme kel mo gwa okay lamila jami from here to there lo nogono bi jam ci gono bo focus ka kel do be den bu ko nyam ka jama tela do okay kodi men bi net gwa me one day you will have what you need not by begging but by building mo leni jin ashin limni jin wa mandanan bijak bu ko nyala kam freely ko do ba dana chilet ke ban mishilet chilet shi gorno bi gis do ba dien bi kwak bi kula jega jamo nyok man gor kon gwa me shi jin bete kwak tungwan but if you could have enough okay, or something to eat to feed your family, your children, or just your family. There go along. Namo la guaya. Malanga guaya o jin miti ke dilwach, okay? Okay, take a dilwach, Gurjan or take a better life. Gurjan origin a very successful person, you know, we build Gorka, Gori degree, master, PhD, ko butika kwak, tato chika let katada and chikoda larkajem. Koda janana, tenika kel, nyak kenikel makurwada. Kel malani, kalo duachi ditin, mutoda chukunela kamutin, a general duaron kaje. A gent di alba karep kaji, baga kamje. Ban mu Gurjan jin bidom tegrara dien. Gurjan bi jalka beerara dien. Jin Gurjan bi jalka warara dien. Gurjan jin ta tegrama mo tege. You know, you want to live that life. Kajano, tele je kwak today life modere je kula lat kaje. Jin be jang ji be je mo ka bolwach, be je mo ka joy ako tichi jek, okay? Tichi jek Gurjan bi ke jek. Na mela jenu la jena joy karan. Gurjan jin men gori o blet. Okay? Gurno chubo focus cutting ene ko ken. Okay? Ko tanat kene jipit ke yokel. Ne de tishe maneken tika ko ngwane. Ano. Shigorodian biol ni ko gwam mi chowe. Chana example chana yakan. Mugi kon sa Sudan kejen gwaseme. Tika ne to ngwan tila nuere titire kuma kirma yadi den tama. Ne to chig let ka gwam ber ka politician ke leaders. These people, they have kids. They can guard kin. They can near kin. Dor kin mijin within ka dab kan dor kin. And then you want your family or they can mish kanamo. Then Gurjan dig michala da gwana kino. They can let. But can your family can work for that? Can let ka Gurjan will be life more be lady be adapt. Ne to. Those are people who grew up with money. People whose family give them everything, but your story is different. And that's okay. You don't need to live their life. You need to live your life. You don't need to wear what they wear. You don't need to live in their hours. Focus on building your own. Stop begging. Stop waiting. Stop copying people who don't even know your struggle. Work up purely. Learn a skill. Sell something. If someone start a small business, pick one thing and focus and create YouTube channel. Go to the account deralat. Kojin bikur bilele bijekten. When you focus, you don't have time to envy others. When you hear God, you stop complaining. And when you stay consistent, your life will start changing. You don't need to be like anyone else. You just need to be the best version of you. Yenchi guru no bishir karadi. Point du karuwadu. Ajin guru burong aja no jinna. But if you keep copying other people, you will lose yourself, okay? But if you focus on your own path, you will rise. Mu you focus kama na antikaji. Bukunyal baje kabnyal. Please lene. Achi nyurijin got chaine, got kwane. Madani tap kajin ogori better life. No. Better life ki happiness chete kayo. Tekaji. Kamantor dan and tekaji. But when you complain any chente ka being to go, chente ka war magwa, ngat mungu mo take a being, mungu mo take a being, ngat mungu mo take a kwak. Please. Wakunyal jarama kam ladamandana balat. Jinmudu nyurbang. You sit idle, doing nothing. Ongom begain. Telam bijak. Kode janito enbe yomoy ka kwen ke ka door asiran chalet chejigit. So please work hard. Work harder. Okay? Onan wale. Muro do tana wero, tana wal, tana badak. Do something. Chang kabni pem kapke. Mi jandan chukoda kamji. Motor ja kamimo chumat ke chuer. Chumat ko benego kem biga changa jek. You know, do something better, something nice. Mibukot beji put kaje. Be humble, okay? Shu jalar no ene bachet ka ngakamo. Biatagamal ene ban jigum rodien. Bye bye.